What?
You kind of set off an eternal winter everywhere.
Everywhere?
Well, it's okay, you can just unfreeze it.
No, I can't. I don't know how.
Sure you can. I know you can.
'Cause for the first time in forever, I'm such a fool, I can't be free. No escape from the storm inside of me. I can't control the